Hey everybody, welcome to another Art Tip Tuesday. So today's art tip is to change up your art supply medium. So if you're used to working in watercolor or acrylic or whatever, change up the medium. See how it does. See if it inspires you. So I just got a cheap set of oil pastels here. And I thought, oh, okay, so let's do a quick landscape. So I think I got these at Hobby Lobby, or they're just a cheap set. So I am going to just start. I'm ready for some green, so I'm just gonna start. And if you want to start by swatching your materials, that's fine too. So these are just kind of like a crayon. I don't know if they're water soluble or not. We can check. So I'm gonna just lay some color down, and as you're doing that freely and loosely, you can maybe get inspired to go back to your watercolor, and you'll come up with some new ideas. I'm just going to do some landscape and put a couple different greens in here for some dimension. They're just like crayons. Let's see if they're water soluble. Nope, these aren't. These are not. But there are some oil pastels that are water soluble. So, I'm just, putting some color down, and you can blend them with my finger. So, and then maybe take some brown and work in there. Maybe make a tree. A lot of people like oil pastels. And just keep going. Just keep going and building on top and building on top. And let's get some green back here for another hillside, and put that in. These are green mountains, and blend that in with your finger, and it'll just inspire you to go on and do different things. When you're just playing, you got to give yourself a chance to play. So maybe let's put some rocks. So just play and have fun and explore new art supplies. If you like them, then you can maybe invest in more more expensive ones. These are just cheap. I think I got them for $6. I can link some up below. They're just like crayons, little smoother crayons, so you can have some fun, explore other art supplies. That's my art tip for today. Okay guys, a continuation of the Art Tip Tuesday. I just kept playing with my materials, and I discovered also during the blending process that a little bit of rubbing alcohol can help blend these oils pastels. They're not blendable, they're not water soluble, but you can take a little bit of rubbing alcohol. And I just kept going with a hilly scene, green, blue skies, sunshine. And then I put a little couple having a picnic over here under the tree. So yeah, just play. So it's given me some ideas. So yeah, just play with some new materials and it can give you inspiration. So again, thanks for joining. Like and subscribe. Bye.